Have you ever gazed upon the night sky and wondered, how did it all begin? This is a question that has puzzled philosophers, scientists, and curious minds throughout history. From the twinkling stars to the vast galaxies, the universe is a grand tapestry, woven with mysteries and secrets. But where did it all start? How did this cosmic spectacle come to be? These are the questions we'll strive to unravel. Today, we embark on a cosmic voyage to understand the birth of our universe. Our journey begins about 13.8 billion years ago with a momentous event known as the Big Bang. Imagine, if you will, a point of infinite density and temperature, a singularity, containing all the energy and matter that would become our universe. This is the starting point of the Big Bang theory, the leading explanation about how the universe began. In the first fractions of a second, this singularity began to expand explosively, faster than the speed of light. This period, called inflation, saw the universe grow from smaller than a single atom to something astronomical in size. As the universe expanded, it also cooled. From this cooling, the fundamental forces of nature that we know today, gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces, began to take shape. This was not a quiet, orderly process, but rather a chaotic, high-energy one, a cosmic forge where the laws of physics were hammered out. Once the universe had expanded and cooled enough, particles of matter and antimatter began to form from the energy of the Big Bang. These particles waged a fierce war of annihilation, but in the end, matter won out, leaving a surplus that would become the stars, planets, and galaxies of our universe. Then, about 375,000 years after the Big Bang, the universe cooled enough for atoms to form. This was a turning point, as light could now travel freely through the universe. The cosmic microwave background radiation we detect today is a relic of this era, a snapshot of the baby universe, and a powerful validation of the Big Bang theory. The Big Bang theory is more than just a story about the universe's beginnings. It's a framework that allows us to understand the universe's past, present, and future. It's a testament to our human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. And so, from this fiery, dense beginning, the universe as we know it began to take shape. As the universe cooled and expanded, the foundations for stars and galaxies began to form. Our universe, in its infancy, was a hot, dense, and chaotic mess of particles buzzing around at incredible speeds. However, as the universe continued to expand, it also began to cool. This cooling process was crucial as it allowed these particles to slow down and start to coalesce. In this cosmic dance, particles began to come together to form atoms. The first atom to form was hydrogen, the simplest and most abundant element in the universe. Hydrogen atoms, in their billions and trillions, began to cluster together under the force of gravity, creating dense pockets of gas. Now, these weren't just any ordinary pockets of gas. These were the cosmic nurseries where stars are born. Inside these dense pockets, the pressure and temperature continued to rise until it was hot enough for nuclear fusion to occur. This process, where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releases a tremendous amount of energy, giving birth to a star. But the story doesn't end there. Groups of these stars began to cluster together, held by their mutual gravitational pull. Over time, these star clusters evolved into galaxies, each with billions of stars, just like our own Milky Way. The universe was no longer a hot, dense soup, but a vast expanse filled with stars and galaxies. Our cosmic journey has brought us from the fiery beginnings of the universe to a cosmos filled with galaxies and stars. We've traveled back in time to the very moment of creation, the Big Bang, where all matter and energy were born. From a state of unimaginable heat and density, the universe expanded and cooled, allowing the first atoms to form. Hydrogen and helium, the simplest elements, became the building blocks for everything else. As the universe continued to cool and expand, these atoms clumped together, creating the first stars and galaxies. It's a story of transformation, of chaos evolving into order, of simplicity giving way to complexity. It's a story that's written across the cosmos, in the light of distant galaxies, in the heart of every star, in the atoms that make up our own bodies. So, next time you gaze upon the night sky, remember the incredible journey that brought those stars into existence.